how are you today? It's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I have a brand new subscription box to my channel, and it's called Coloring and Classics. I do have a cheat sheet down here beside me, so if I look over and down, that's why. I don't want to miss anything. I want to give y'all all the correct information. Okay, so like I said, it is Coloring and Classics is the name of the subscription. It is $16.99 a month, but you can get it as low as $14.99 a month, or $14 a month, I think, if you do a 1-year subscription. I just did it month to month. You can get it with coffee added as well for $24 a month, and you can choose whether you want whole coffee beans or ground coffee beans. I have plenty of coffee, so I didn't do that. You can also choose what kind of book you want. So it's a hardcover book, or supposed to be, and you can choose from acclaimed fiction, nonfiction, romance, which is what I think I did, mystery, sci-fi, fantasy, all kinds. So there is a book out there if you're a reader for everybody. Now I wanted to choose this, or I chose this box because it was something different, and I like to color. I wish I had kids still at the age where you sat at the table and you did craft time and you colored, because I miss those days. Maddie would probably humor me and do a craft. He will, like, during holidays if we want to make something, but for the most part, we're not sitting down and coloring together anymore. So I like coloring, and I thought this box would hopefully be a fun box. So let's get into it. It did come, I think it says it ships FedEx, but I must have put in my P.O. box, and they will drop stuff off at my P.O. box for me. Now, just like always, I never bring scissors or a knife in here to cut these bad boys open. Okay, so when I open the box, I know it's loud, I'm sorry. It does come wrapped in tissue paper, so that's nice. And I'm gonna pull it out for you. And hopefully, I know you won't be able to see down here, but this is what, it's got this tissue paper, so I know it's loud, I'm sorry. So this is what we're looking at right here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have, wow, several coloring books. Here's 4 just right here. So this one is Sea Life, portable coloring book for adults. That's cool. So you can take it on the plane or in a car, if you can do that kind of thing in the car. Some people can't. Natural Wonders. So this is probably all about nature. So those are some pretty ones. Then we have Flying Wonders, is what this one's called. It's got birds, and this has got some teacups. You'll see these. Oh, that black one is pretty. If that one came out really pretty, I might frame it. Which is what you can wear to go. I saw it right there. Which, you know, you could do that. If they come out really nice and you want to frame them and change them up, then you have a little bit of artwork. Calming Patterns is this one. I have a lot, oh, that's really pretty, like really pretty. I like the black backgrounds. I have quite a bit of downtime at work sometimes, and I can go on break, and so I kind of thought maybe it would give me something to do if I didn't have anything else better to do. All right, and then the last one is called In Vogue. That is a big coloring book. It says a multi-level creative coloring book. And it's all about fashion. Isn't that fitting for my channel. And they're thick pages. They're not, you know, super thin. So if you want to take them out, then they're not going to, you know, hopefully rip easily. And then the classic that I got is called Mr. Rochester, a novel by Sarah Shoemaker. And it says, let's see if I can read a little excerpt from it. It says it's a $27 book. Can you see up there? So US $27, $35 Canadian. For 170 years, Edward Fairfax Rochester has stood as one of literature's most romantic, complex, and mysterious heroes. Sometimes haughty, sometimes tender, professing his love for Jane Eyre is in one breath and denying it in the next. Mr. Rochester has for generations mesmerized, bewildered, and yes, baffled fans of Charlotte Bronte's masterpiece. But his own story has never been told. That's awesome, actually, because I do know Jane Eyre, not personally, of course, and Charlotte Bronte. Awesome. I cannot wait to read this book, and I'll let you know, of course, how it is. So the only thing that we didn't get are coloring pencils. I can go and run and pick those up from Walmart or Target. Not a huge deal. I do wish that it came with them for the first box, but you know, not a deal breaker for me. I'm excited about this. So in my box for what did I say, $16, I got the book. I got 4 portable coloring books, and then I got the one behind me, this big one. And on the back here it says it's $12.99. It probably won't focus enough for you, but it does say it's $12.99, so that's awesome. And there it's a lay flat binding, which is really nice too. Wonder if these ones say how much they're worth. It does not. It just says on the back, also available, and you can get all these, which I got. They sent them all to me. So I'm excited. I'm excited to have something to do in my free time, and you know, just a little bit of fun. Take me back to my childhood, but keep me in my adulthood with the classic romance novel. So let me know what you thought of this cool little subscription that I found with all of these coloring books and the classic novel. I really do think I got my money's worth, because just the book is worth $27 and I only paid $16.99. So let me know in the comments what you thought. Let me know if you're going to try it for yourself. I will leave a Crate Joy link down below for you to make it really easy for you. I do know that they are having a little sale. I don't remember what the code is, but I'll put that in the description as well, and maybe you'll save a little bit of coin on this subscription. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely, fantastic day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out. Leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. See you later. Bye.